child friendly, so if you like, you can put my stream up onto the TV screen for everybody to see. Turkey! I don't like turkey. I think turkey meat is very tough. Turkey meat is what I imagine eating my grandmother out would feel like. Tough, rubbery, dry, soggy, and bad. Huh? What, like eating your grandmother out? Like your grandmother's meat, you know? Like old and dry. What? What did I say this time? Like, it's like eating your grandmother out. Eating her out. Like eating her meat. Like, huh? What? Oh, is it the grandma? I mean, I don't think you know what that means. Like eating your grandma. That's not what eating out means. Huh? Don't add out. Oh. Okay. What? Eating your grandma. Does that sound better? Okay. Eating your grandma. You're so funny, man. Is that a bad word? It's like, I mean... like, it's like eating your grandma. Like a grandmother's meat. I'm using it as a metaphor. I'm not saying real. I'm saying like grandmothers are saggy and dry. You know? No, I'm saying eating your it's like a metaphor. It's like I'm eating my grandmother's meat. Very dry, very soggy, saggy, very no flavor, very bland. I'm just trying to make a metaphor. Eating someone out is kinky. Oh. Interesting. I learn new things every day. I'm not gonna question it. I don't wanna know. Don't tell me about anything about it. I don't wanna know. 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 Stop using it as a metaphor. Sheesh. Okay, fine. 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 Stop giving me mental image of it. I'm not even thinking about anything. You're the one who has the gutter mind that's thinking about it. Only you can control your own imagination. I cannot influence what your imagination shows you. You only imagine from experience. Caught you, grandmother eater. Well, you keep saying it, so you must know something bad. Well, I didn't know eating my grandma out was a bad thing until you guys mentioned that it's a bad thing. So I guess I know now that you're not supposed to eat someone out and that it's a bad thing. Well, like every word is some sort of a hentai thing now. Can't say anything anymore. Like how I can't say back shots all the time. So stupid. It literally means a shot of your back. That's what a back shot is called. You can have a back shot, a front shot, a side shot, a 360 shot. Happy Thanksgiving, Happy Thanksgiving, Happy Thanksgiving, Happy Thanksgiving, Happy Thanksgiving. What did I